Okay, going through this first question, I know I need to make a midpoint column. So I'm going to create a midpoint column by here, which I'm going to call MP. Now I'm trying to find the middle of 1 and 9. So what I'm going to do on my calculator is do 1 plus 9 and divide it by 2. I get 5.5. And then I'm going to do 10 plus 18, and divide that by 2, and I get 19. And I do 19 plus 27 and divide that by 2, get 32.5. Now I'm going to scribble out underneath it so I don't accidentally add it up. Okay, I create another column called midpoint times frequency, so I'm doing 5.5 times 7. So 5.5 times 7 gives me 38.5. And then 19 times 28 gives me 532. And then 32.5 times 5 gives me 162.5. The next thing I do is I add up all of these people, because the mean, to work out the mean, is the number of them all added up divided by how many. So I need to work out how many people are there. It may even tell me, look, it says 40 there. So I can add that up to 40. And then I need to add those numbers up as well. So 38.5 plus 532 plus 162.5. That comes to 733. So now I'll just do 733 divided by 40, which is 18.325. I'm not going to bother rounding that because it's only to 3 decimal places anyway. The next question here, I'm going to work out the midpoint column again, although it's pretty obvious this one, so I'm not going to use my calculator. Between 1 and 100 is obviously 50, 150, 250, 350 and 450. I'm then going to create my new column called midpoint times frequency. 50 times 2 is 100. 150 times 6, I'm putting it into my calculator, so I get the answer 900. 250 times 16 is 4,000. And 350 times by 34 is 11,900, and 450 times by 12 is 5,400. I'm then going to add up my columns, so 50 add 150, 50 add 150, add 250, add 350, add 450, comes to 1250, and I'm adding up all of those numbers there, so 100 plus 900 plus 4,000 plus 11,900 plus 5,400. That comes to 22,300, and then to work out my mean, I'm just going to do 22,300 divided by 1,250. And that comes to 17.84.